Ito na nga pala yung mga sagot sa exercises sa previous video, so please feel free to check. So, paano nga ba mag-add, subtract, multiply at divide ng integers? So, simulan natin sa addition of integers with like signs. So, sabi dito, a positive number plus another positive number, the result will be another positive number. For example, we have positive 2 plus positive 3, and the result will be positive 5. And yung sign niya is positive. Since pareho naman tong positive, the result would be another positive number. Another example, we have positive 3 plus positive 3 is just equal to positive 6. Again, positive, positive, the result will be another positive. Okay, so paano naman kung parehong negative numbers ang gusto nating ipag-add? So, sabi dito, a negative number plus another negative number, ang result ay another negative number. For example, we have here negative 4 plus negative 6. Ipag-add muna natin. 4 plus 6 is just equal to 10. And since sabi dito, negative number plus negative number, the result will be another negative number. So, since pareho silang negative, negative din yung result. Okay? Next, we have negative 10 plus negative 10. So, add muna natin si 10 at 10. So, 10 plus 10 is just 20. And then, ano yung sign niya? Negative. Kasi pareho silang negative. At sabi dito, negative number plus negative number, ang result ay negative number. Hence, negative 20. And for another example, we have negative 100 plus negative 50. Again, 100 plus 50, 150. And since pareho silang negative, negative din yung sign. Okay? Now, how about kung unlike signs? For example, binigyan tayo ng positive number plus negative number, o kaya naman negative number plus another positive number. Ano yung magiging sign? At ano yung magiging result? Okay? Let's say, binigyan tayo ng negative 9 plus positive 10. So, meron tayong tatlong steps sa pag-add ng integers with unlike signs. So, sabi dito, ignore negative signs and treat both numbers as positive. And then, higher number minus lower number. Okay. So, isipin muna natin na positive tong pareho. Si 9 at 10. Okay? And then, higher number minus lower number. Ito si 10, higher number siya. Positive 10. Ito naman si 9, si negative 9, i-treat muna natin siya as positive 9. And then, higher number minus lower number. 10 minus 9 is just equal to 1. And then, lagay natin to dito. And then, tapos na ba tayo? Hindi pa, kasi aalamin pa natin kung ano yung magiging sign ng result. So, sabi sa step 3, follow the sign of the higher number for the sign of the result in step 2. So, dito tayo titingin. Alin dito yung mas mataas na number? Note ha, ignore muna natin yung negative signs. Now, 10 yung mas mataas. Ano yung sign ni 10? Positive, di ba? So, positive din ang result. Another example, we have negative 11 plus positive 3. So again, ignore the negative signs. And then, higher number minus lower number. Alin dito yung higher number kung hindi natin iisipin yung negative sign? Syempre si 11. And then, minus lower number, which is 3. 11 minus 3 is just equal to 8. And then, so, ano yung magiging sign ni 8? So, sabi dito, follow the sign of the higher number for the sign of the result in step 2. So, saan tayo titingin? Dito muna. Alin ba dito yung higher number? Si 11, di ba? And then, ano yung sign dito ni 11? Negative. So, negative din yung sign ni 8. Ito yung result. So, we have here positive 15 plus negative 25. Again, ignore the negative signs and treat both numbers as positive. And then, higher number minus lower number. So, ito yung higher number, 25. And then, minus lower number, which is 15. 25 minus 15 is just 10. So, ano yung magiging sign ni 10? Again, follow the sign of the higher number for the sign of result in step 2. Again, ang higher number dito is si 25. Ano yung sign niya? Negative. Kung kaya naman, negative din. So, more examples. Feel free to pause the video kung gusto nyo munang itry isolve tong mga problems na to. Okay, so una, ignore the negative signs and treat both numbers as positive. And then, locate natin si higher number, which is 9. And then, minus lower number, which is 8. So, 9 minus 8 is just equal to 1. So, ano yung magiging sign ni 1? Follow the sign of higher number. So, ano yung sign ni higher number dito? Ano yung sign ni 9? Diba negative? So, negative din. For our next example, we have 4 plus negative 100. Again, ignore negative signs and treat both numbers as positive. And then, locate the higher number, which is 100. And then minus lower number, which is 4. 100 minus 4 is just equal to 96. Now, ano yung magiging sign ng 96? Sabi dito, follow the sign of the higher number, which is itong 100. And ano yung sign niya? Negative. So, negative 96 yung sagot. Lastly, we have negative 16 plus positive 16. Again, ignore the negative signs and treat both numbers as positive. And then, locate the higher number, which is, dito, pareho lang naman sila 16, so kahit alin dyan. And then, minus 16. Okay, 16 minus 16 is 0. So, 0 din dito. Now, ano yung magiging sign? Actually, wala siyang sign. Walang sign yung 0, no? Okay? Now, before we proceed to subtraction of integers, I highly recommend na sagutan nyo muna tong mga problems na to para mas lalo pa ninyong ma-master yung concepts ng addition of integers. At ito yung mga sagot. Okay. Dito naman sa subtraction of integers, mas madali mo na lang siyang magagawa kung na-master mo na yung addition of integers. And you will see later why. Merong 3 general steps sa subtraction of integers for like signs and unlike signs. For example, we have negative 10 minus negative 5. So, sabi sa step 1, change the minus operator to addition operator. So, si minus magiging plus. And then, reverse the sign of the subtrahend, the one near the equal operator. So, ito yung subtrahend. At ito naman yung minuend. So, let's reverse the sign of negative 5. So, magiging na siyang positive. And then, rewrite natin. Okay, bring down lang natin si negative 10. And then, from minus, magiging addition. And then, tong negative 5, i-reverse natin yung sign, so magiging positive 5 na siya. And then, kaya, dapat na-master nyo na yung addition of integers kasi kasali siya. Apply what you learned in addition of integers. So, negative 10 plus 5 is just equal to negative 5. For another example, we have negative 4 minus positive 50. So again, change the minus operator to addition operator. So from minus, magiging na siyang plus. And then, reverse the sign of the subtrahend. Ito yung subtrahend, at ano yung sign niya initially? Positive. Hindi lang natin nakikita, pero positive to. And then, magiging na siyang negative. Okay, and then, rewrite ulit natin. So, bring down lang natin si negative 4. And then, from minus, magiging na siyang plus. And then, yung dating positive 50, naging na siyang negative 50. And then, again, apply what you learned in addition of integers. So, addition na lang to. Negative 4 plus negative 50 is just equal to negative 54. So, what if we are given positive 9 minus negative 11? Again, change the minus operator to addition operator. Okay, from minus, magiging siyang plus, and then itong negative, sabi dito, reverse the sign of the subtrahend, si negative 11 magiging positive 11. Then again, rewrite natin. Then, kung mapapansin nyo, bring down lang natin si 9, and then from subtraction, naging na lang siyang addition operation. And itong negative 11, naging siyang positive 11. And then, 9 plus 11 is just equal to 20. And a positive number plus another positive number, ang result ay another positive, which is positive 20. So, more examples pa para mas ma-master natin. Again, feel free to pause the video kung gusto nyo munang itry isolve tong mga problems na to. We have here negative 9 minus negative 12. Again, change the minus operator to addition operator. And then, reverse the sign of the subtrahend, the one near the equal operator. Ito yon, magiging siyang positive. And then, rewrite ulit natin, no? Bring down negative 9. And then, from subtraction, magiging na siyang addition. And then, from negative sign, naging na siyang positive. And then, apply what you learned in addition of integers. So, negative 9 plus 12 is just equal to 3. Dito naman, 6 minus negative 8. So, change the minus operator to addition operator. Reverse the sign of the subtrahend, magiging positive. And then, rewrite is just equal to positive 14. So, dito naman, negative 20 minus positive 23. And then, from minus operator, magiging addition. And then, ang dating positive, dahil i-reverse mo siya, magiging negative. And then, rewrite. So, negative 20 plus negative 23 is just equal to negative 43. So, actually, madali lang siya, no? Basta sundin mo lang yung steps, and then eventually, you'll get used to it. Kahit hindi mo na siya tignan, mamememorize mo na lang yung steps. And then, okay ka na sa subtraction, pati addition of integers. So, let's proceed sa multiplication and division of integers. So, kung mapapansin nyo, pinagsama ko na tong dalawa. Mainly because merong general steps na parehong applicable sa paghahanap ng product or quotient of integers. So, try natin tong first statement. The product or quotient of integers with the same sign is always positive. For example, negative 9 times negative 9. So, pag-multiply muna natin. 9 times 9 is 81. And then, ano yung magiging sign? Sabi dito, same sign, always positive. Kung kaya naman, positive 81 yung sagot. Kahit pa pareho silang negative, pero since pareho nga sila, sabi sa rule na to, positive yung result. So, another example, positive 9 times positive 9. So, 9 times 9 is just 81. And since pareho silang positive, the same sign, ang result ay always positive. So, pareho lang sila. Pareho silang sagot. Now, try natin sa quotient. We have positive 10 divided by positive 5. So, since pareho lang silang positive, 10 divided by 5 is just equal to 2. So, dito naman, negative 10 divided by negative 5. 10 divided by 5 is 2. And since pareho silang negative, the same sign, always positive yung result. So, ito na yung final answer, positive 2. So, try naman natin tong second statement. So, sabi dito, the product or quotient of integers with different sign is always negative. So, compare sa nauna, dito, the same sign, always positive. Ito naman, pag different sign, always negative. For example, we are given negative 4 times positive 5. So, 4 times 5 is 20. Pero ano yung magiging sign? Note na, negative si 4 at positive si 5. So, different sign. So, ang result is negative. Ayun lang. Ayun lang yung kailangan nyo tandaan. So, I will now leave you with these few exercises and yung mga sagot will be on our next video. Thank you for watching.